So this is the tour of 18 Canada Rockeries Private. This is the main entrance. And I'm going to start off in Zone 1. Zone 1 consists of a lower guest room. And the air handler is located in the ceiling above the bathroom. And there are vents here above the bed. And maybe a return here and one over on this side. And we're going to go upstairs to the upstairs section of Zone 1. This is my office. This is what gets hottest in the house. So this is the hottest part of the house because there's so much glass. And in this room, I didn't want to put an overhead cartridge up here because of the architecture. But you can see because of all this glass that all the heat rises. And then I also have a copper roof up here. So it gets very, very hot here. So this is a main area that I do my work, and I need it to be as cold as possible. There are vents here and over here. And around over on this side, over here, and over here. And they are connected to the Zone 1 downstairs. So there's an upper and a lower. They share the same air handler. I'm now going to show you Zone 2. Zone 2 is this whole living area right here. And you can see that we have glass all on the top, glass at the back. We have returns up top here. I'm not sure if these are all returns, but they're vents. And then over here, we have a number of these. And that's the design of Zone 2. Now I'm going to show you Zone 3. Zone 3 is the kitchen. So it's this whole area here. And then also this additional room over on this side called the White Room. We have vents up in the top here. A vent here. And then we have some vents around here. This is the dining room. And a vent up here. And over here. And this is the study. So this is all kind of one area on Zone 2. It's quite large. Sorry, this is Zone 3. Okay, the air handlers are located in the powder room here. Zone 2 air handler goes in the ceiling right here. And Zone 3 air handler goes in the ceiling right here. The mechanical room is behind us, over on that side. And now I'm going to take you to Zone 4. This is Zone 4. So this gets quite hot because there's a lot of glass and sun exposure. And the vents are located primarily around the bed. 1, 2, 3, 4. And around the sitting area. 1, 2, 3. Back here in that corner. And up in here, in this area here. This room also gets quite cold in the winter. The air handler is located up here, which is tight space into the closet. Okay, that is the tour of the house. I'm also going to show you the mechanical room. The mechanical room is over here. We have our in-floor heating system here with all these manifolds to the 4 zones. Our main power box. Some control systems here. The main valves. The copper. This unit. And here's the Weissman boiler that I just put in last year, which is state of the art. Connected over here to this side and up and out for the hydronic heating system and the floor heating system. Okay, that concludes the tour of the house.